JJ.A.C Tech Channel. V380 B10, 180-degree ultra-wide-angle panoramic outdoor Wi-Fi camera, unboxing and installation. True HD 1080p resolution, full range of high-definition images, 180-degree wide-angle lens, which makes the field of view wider and the picture clearer and smoother. Long-distance night vision with 3 LED lights, two-way intercom, communication is more convenient. Motion detection and alarm are supported. The camera can be used outside due to its IP65 dustproof and waterproof rating. Package contents, installation guide, mounting brackets and kits. 12 volts DC power adapter, V380 B10 unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.